This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Edit Assist and binding your edit key so you can trigger edits quickly. Once done, load a creative map and build a simple 1x1 box. This gives consistent geometry for learning. You want muscle memory, so repeat basic wall and floor edits until they feel immediate. Make sure to practice with your actual control device, keyboard and mouse or controller, because timing differs. By beginning here, you reduce randomness and set up a reliable foundation for autocorrect edits. Now perform the autocorrect sequence. Edit the corner piece and immediately confirm the edit while turning your aim toward the target. You need short, clipped flicks rather than long sweeps because autocorrect snaps aim as the edit completes. Once done, practice timing the confirmation press fractionally earlier or later to find the sweet spot for your ping. Make sure to add a crouch or small jump as you commit. This stabilizes camera motion and increases autocorrect consistency in close quarters. Finish by refining sensitivity and confirming your timing under pressure. Record a few practice clips and watch for late confirmations or overflicks. Once done, tweak DPI or in-game sensitivity in small steps, 5 to 10%, to preserve muscle memory while improving accuracy. Make sure to test both with and without Edit Assist to see if the feature or your input timing causes misses. If you still fail, lower graphic latency settings and check network ping. Fixing those often restores reliable autocorrect behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.